Have you ever looked at those stunning wooden wall art pieces in home decor stores and thought, wow, I wish I could make that? Well, what if I told you, you can, and without using any power tools at all? Yes, today on Craft Catalog we are going to explore how you can turn simple pieces of wood into jaw-dropping wall art that looks designer-made, using only basic materials and a few clever tricks. Get ready because this isn't just another DIY. This is a total wall transformation you can do from your living room floor. When it comes to home decor, walls are your biggest canvas. They're what people notice first when they walk in. But the problem is, most of us either leave them plain or cover them with store-bought prints that don't really reflect our personality. That's where DIY wood wall art comes in. It's natural, customizable, and it instantly adds warmth and texture to any room. Even a small wooden accent can make a blank wall feel intentional and inviting. And the best part? You don't need expensive tools, fancy skills, or even a big budget. All you need is a creative mindset and the willingness to experiment. There's something timeless about wood. It adds depth, warmth, and a natural charm that paint or posters simply can't replicate. Even if you're using scrap pieces, pallet wood, or old frames, the grain and tone of wood make everything look more expensive than it actually is. Wood wall art also gives you endless possibilities. You can make geometric patterns, minimalist stripes, layered panels, or even abstract shapes. You can paint it, stain it, or leave it raw. Each finish tells its own story. And here's the magic. The more imperfections your wood has, the better it looks. Small cracks, uneven tones, or rustic edges all add character. That's what makes handmade pieces stand out from factory-made ones. Now let's talk about how you can start, the simple way. First, gather your materials. Lightweight wood pieces, glue or adhesive strips, paint or stain if you like, and a flat surface to work on. You can even use pre-cut craft wood from a dollar store or scrap boards from an old project. Lay out your pieces on the floor first to design your pattern. This step is where your creativity shines. Maybe you want clean, modern lines, or maybe a rustic patchwork look. Try different arrangements until something clicks. Once you've got your layout, it's all about securing the pieces. If you're avoiding tools, strong wood glue or double-sided mounting tape can work surprisingly well. Just make sure the surface is clean and dry before sticking anything down. For color, go with what matches your style, natural stains for a cozy look, or bold paints for a modern vibe. Even a simple whitewash can make your piece look elegant and soft. And when it's done, hang it proudly. Use lightweight adhesive hooks if you don't want to drill. Perfect for renters or anyone who loves to switch up their decor often. Here's where most DIYers miss the secret to truly professional-looking wood art: contrast and composition. If everything looks too uniform, your wall art can feel flat. Try mixing light and dark woods, or play with different finishes like matte and gloss. Adding just one accent color, like gold, black, or white, can completely change the vibe. Think of your piece like a painting. Every section should draw the eye somewhere. Add texture with layered wood or angled cuts. Even small depth differences make your project feel 3D and sculptural. Remember, less is often more. A clean, balanced design will always look more sophisticated than something too busy. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Get inspiration from your surroundings, nature, architecture, or even patterns from fabric and tiles. Pinterest and Instagram are full of ideas, but the key is to make it yours. If you love boho, try earthy stains and uneven edges. If you're into modern styles, stick with geometric shapes and crisp lines. And if farmhouse charm is your thing, go for whitewash tones and reclaimed textures. Each choice you make adds personality. And when guests see your finished wall piece, they won't believe it was made by hand. Let's be real, cost matters. That's what makes DIY so satisfying. Most wooden wall art projects can be done for less than what you'd spend on a single store-bought frame. Use leftovers from old furniture, pallets, or craft wood sheets. Even bamboo mats, cutting boards, or wooden spoons can be transformed into art when arranged creatively. And here's the best part. Most designs can be completed in 1 or 2 hours. So even if you only have an afternoon, you'll end with something you can proudly display. At the end of the day, DIY wood wall art isn't just about saving money or decorating your home. It's about expressing yourself, creating something with your hands that tells a story. When you make your own wall decor, it feels personal. It adds warmth, meaning, and a touch of handmade charm that no store can sell. So, grab some wood pieces, play with patterns, and let your imagination flow. You'll be amazed at how quickly a few simple boards can transform your space into something spectacular. Thank you for watching Craft Catalog. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple wood decor ideas that look amazing without breaking the bank, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. We share new creative woodworking and DIY home decor inspiration every few days, always beginner-friendly, affordable, and full of fresh ideas. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep transforming the ordinary into something extraordinary.